Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to add a contact form to your Linktree page. First, open your browser and go to the Linktree website. Log into your Linktree admin dashboard using your email and password. After you log in, you will see your main dashboard. From here, look for the Links tab and click on it. Next, click the plus Add Link button. A menu will open where you can search for different link options. From the left menu, select Contact and then choose Contact Form. This will add a new contact form link to your page. Now it is time to customize your form. Start by giving your form a title. You can use something simple like Get in Touch or Contact Me. This title is what visitors will see on your Linktree page. After that, move on to the Field section. Here you can add or edit questions in your form. Common fields include name, phone number, email address, and a message box. For important information, make sure to check the required box so visitors must fill it in before submitting the form. Next, configure the form settings. You can add a custom thank you message that appears after someone submits the form. This is a good place to let them know you received their message. If you are on a pro plan, you can also add optional terms and conditions. Once everything looks good, your form is ready. It will automatically be published and visible on your Linktree page. Thanks for watching.